In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable maintenance mode in Hostinger. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. We will begin by directing you to Hostinger's homepage, which is designed to help bring your ideas online with your very own website. Once you have landed on the Hostinger homepage, take a moment to explore the services they offer before moving forward with the process. After you have become familiar with the homepage, your next move is to access the account section. Look for the area labelled My Account, which is usually clearly visible on the website. When you click on My Account, you are taken to a personalized space where you can find information and manage all of your hosting plans and website settings. This account area is the central hub for all website management options, so it is essential to know your way around it. With your account open, move forward by navigating to the Home section. This part of the portal is often referred to simply as Home and represents the dashboard of your hosting experience on Hostinger. Here you will find various tools and options to help manage your website effectively. Once you have arrived at the dashboard, you will need to locate the section dedicated to your website management. Within the website management area on your dashboard, you should identify and select the part labeled Website. This area is specifically designed for users who want to modify website settings, install additional tools, and manage online content. Once you click on Website, you are entering the space where you will usually encounter a series of options pertaining to website functionality. The next step involves accessing the WordPress administrative panel. Locate the WP admin area and click on it. This action will take you to the WordPress dashboard, which is the central control panel for editing your websites, themes, pages, plugins, and more. Familiarizing yourself with the WordPress dashboard is important because it contains the key elements required to make changes to your website. Once inside WordPress, you will need to move to the Plugins section. Plugins extend the functionality of your website and allow you to add specialized features. Click on Plugins to browse your currently installed plugins along with options to add new ones. Plugins are essential to customize your website without delving into complex coding, making them a popular choice among many website owners. Now it is time to extend your website's functionality by adding a new plugin. Click on the option to add plugins. This will open up an interface where you can search for plugins designed to help you manage various aspects of your website. The interface is designed to be intuitive, so you simply have to enter your search term to begin looking for the maintenance mode plugin. In the search field provided within the Add Plugins area, type in Maintenance. By doing this, you will filter the available plugins for the one that specifically lets you enable Maintenance Mode. Maintenance Mode is a useful tool, particularly when you need to temporarily prevent visitors from accessing your site while you perform essential updates or changes behind the scenes. Once the maintenance plugin appears in the search results, the next step is to click on Install Now. This will begin the plugin installation process. The interface provides clear feedback to show that the installation is in progress, so you will know when it is completed. After the plugin is installed on your website, you must complete the process by clicking on Activate. This final action enables the plugin functionality, allowing you to turn on or off the maintenance mode as required. Activating the plugin ensures that your website is now protected from unwanted visitors while you conduct maintenance tasks. This concludes the tutorial on enabling maintenance mode on Hostinger. By following these steps, you are well equipped to manage your website's accessibility during updates. Enjoy your newfound control over your website maintenance and happy updating.